Welcome back. Well, a meeting of the legislative party leaders in the Tamil Nadu Assembly decided to approach the Supreme Court if necessary to get Cauvery water for the state from Karnataka. A resolution adopted at the meeting strongly condemned the Karnataka government for refusing to release water as per the Cauvery Water Regulation Committee's directive of 1 TMC feet every day. Now, another resolution also urged the Cauvery Water Management Authority to direct Karnataka to release water in compliance with the orders of the Cauvery Tribunal and the Supreme Court.
காவேரி நடுவர்மன்றத்தின் இறுதி தீர்ப்பு மற்றும் மாண்புமை உச்சநீதிமன்ற ஆணையின்படி தமிழ்நாடு பெற வேண்டிய நீரை உடனடியாக பெறுவதற்கு தேவைப்படி மாண்புமை உச்சநீதிமன்றத்தை நாடி அனைத்து சட்டபூர்வமான நடவடிக்கைகளை மேற்கொள்ள இக்கூட்டம் ஒருமனதாக தீர்மானிக்கிறது. இந்த தீர்மானங்களின் அடிப்படையில் தேவைப்படும் அனைத்து நடவடிக்கைகளையும் முழுமூச்சோடு மேற்கொண்டு காவேரி டெல்டா விவசாய உரிமைகளை இந்த அரசு நிலைநாட்டும் என உறுதியளித்து என்னுடைய உரையை நிறைவு செய்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Now, the Karnataka government is also closely monitoring the developments in Tamil Nadu, and the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has raked up the Mekedatu Dam.
Tamil Nadu, they have every right to meet as we meet. We don't object their meeting. It is their duty. I don't want to comment on that. But at the same time, from yesterday, I am getting good inflow. More than 50,000 inflow in Cauvery region, and whatever is there, we are allowing to go out of Harangi. I think more than 20,000 was going out of Harangi and other places. If God permits us, all our problem will be sorted out. But one thing I would like to appeal to Tamil Nadu, more than our interest is your interest. This Mekedatu reservoir, you just permit us.
Meanwhile, the BJP believes that both Tamil Nadu and Karnataka governments are hand in glove with each other, and the entire Cauvery fight is just a staged drama.
Our farmers' interests should not be compromised. The farmers who are in the Cauvery basin, their interest needs to be protected by our Karnataka government. We have made it pretty clear. So as far as Tamil Nadu government is concerned, we are not bothered what they are going to discuss. But we have urged Chief Minister to represent before the tribunal more effectively in Delhi tomorrow or whenever this meeting is called.
See, they are all in gloves, okay? They are saying that I'll act like I'm hitting you, you act like you're crying. They are all doing this together. This protest is just for the optics. This is just for the camera. They are all hand in gloves in all these things.